What if you could turn your pond from this to this in only 2 months, and it will continue improving with Nature's Pond Care 3-step program. Nature's Pond products take the hassle and guesswork out of managing your pond or lake. By combining 3 essential pond care products into one easy-to-implement program, our goal is to simplify your pond maintenance, provide a proven, complete pond or lake care solution, maintain the health of your water year-round, provide natural products that are safe for people, pets, and wildlife. Let's take a look at Shane's journey by clicking the link below.